三號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺晚上11點，超強颱風蘇拉集結喺香港之東南偏東大約320公里，即係北緯21.5度、東經117.1度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約10公里，移向廣東東部沿岸。按照現時預測，蘇拉聽日稍後會相當接近本港，對本港構成威脅。天文台會喺聽日凌晨2點到5點期間改發8號烈風或暴風信號。預料本港聽日日間天氣顯著轉壞，有狂風大驟雨，風勢猛烈。受風暴潮影響，香港海水高度會喺聽晚接近午夜到星期六中午明顯上升，沿岸低洼地區可能出現嚴重水浸。風暴潮嘅影響視乎蘇拉掠過本港時嘅強度同埋位置。海面有湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，大老山錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時42公里，最高陣風超過每小時52公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 11 p.m., Super Typhoon Shaola was estimated to be about 320 kilometers east-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.5 degrees north, 117.1 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour towards the coast of eastern Guangdong. According to the present forecast, Shaola will be rather close to Hong Kong later tomorrow and will pose a threat to Hong Kong. The observatory will issue the Gaylor storm signal number 8 between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. tomorrow. Local weather is expected to deteriorate significantly with heavy squally showers and violent winds during the day tomorrow. Under the influence of storm surge, the water level in Hong Kong is expected to rise appreciably towards midnight tomorrow until noon on Saturday. There may be serious flooding in low-lying coastal areas. Impact of storm surge depends on the intensity and location of Shaola when it skirts the territory. There will be swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tatescairn was 42 km per hour, with maximum gust exceeding 52 km per hour.